speak about setting up a living room. First at all, this living space should be taboo for your sofa. And a corner sofa is the perfect furniture piece for any living room, no matter the shape, size, or design style. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm hosting you today. Welcome back to our channel and a new uploaded video. The today video is the 31st part of the video series Living Room Design. I warmly recommend you watch the other 30 parts of this amazing video series. You will find here tons of clever designer ideas that will help you to set up your own living room. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, a comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. The size and the layout of the space often determines where to place your sofa. However, there are some spots in the living room where the sofa shouldn't be. We are speaking here for any kind of sofas, not just the corner sofa. You should never place your sofa in front of the window or in front of the radiator to hide the unsightly device. No matter the home where you are living, the sofa is always the heart of the living room. After sofa, all other furniture pieces are aligned. The placement of the sofa is not an easy decision. Therefore, we have uploaded this video. Check out the images and get inspired. The typical place for a sofa is often with its back to the wall, especially when you are dealing with a small living room space. Obviously, this placement has practical advantages. It makes the room look larger and the space can be more functional. But what about when you are fortunate to have a bigger space? With a little skill and inspiration, a room divider can be easily conjured up from a corner sofa. You can effectively use the available space in the room, and the empty center of your living room is not anymore a just wasted space. You will see many examples in this sense in our video. In our video you can find many examples on how to place a corner sofa in a contemporary living room. Like in this image, small but gorgeous living room with light brown corner sofa and ottoman in the same color. A round coffee table is placed between in the middle. Large open space with modern fireplace. In this case, the magnificent white sectional sofa acts as a room divider and creates at the same time an elegant, comfortable and cozy area. Look at this gorgeous L-shaped open space that brings together living and dining area. The corner sofa is placed with its back to the wall that allows you to enjoy the fabulous view through the large floor-to-ceiling windows. Here you can see another beautiful example on how to use a large corner sofa as a room divider. The open space is separated into specific areas, living and dining zones. What a lovely living room in this image. Modern interior design, beautifully furnished and decorated. Quite large L-shaped open space with a cozy area for the living room, large and comfortable sectional with its back to the wall. Large acrylic paintings on the wall above the sofa complement the charming decor. Small open space with a simple and affordable design. Tiny living room featuring a corner sofa. Large and elegant living room design with a modern low-profile corner sofa. Please continue to watch our video. Here in this image you can see an amazing living room decor with a glamorous touch. Large velvet corner sofa in dark navy blue hue dominates the place. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards, and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.